Hello. Let's continue with the level stitcher that we began the previous video. We have now separated in two scripts the level and the player scripts, the logic of the game. The level scripts manages the loading of the data. In fact, let's rename the main function as load data because because it's what it does. Load data, and the game currently loads only one level per occasion, but we want to load several levels in the same space. So let's see, current level no longer needs to be exported. Exported variables are the equivalent, if you know Unity, you can expose variables in Unity to the editor. The same is done in Godot with the export keyword. You can export different kinds of parameters, like the moving time, for example. If we increase that, now the moving time is very slow. Okay, let's see. Before we exported the current level because we assigned it in the editor, but now we are loading it dynamically. So let's see. I think we no longer need the player in the level code because we will no longer use it. Okay, load level. We want this function to load a given level from the data in a certain position. So we will pass a certain this is interesting. Yeah, let's pass it for now. These are keystrokes I use to debug the game to load different levels. Okay, let's replace what is, yeah, I load data, yeah, we need another parameter here. Okay, here in the level logic we will no longer use this because we want the yeah, let me undo that. No, I will explain later. This was putting the position, the player position from the level data, but we don't want that position. We want the position of the entry point. In fact, let's make let's make a variable to hold that information from the parsing process. Yeah. Yeah, we will save that position, the position of the entry door, and we will use it later. Okay, this obviously this will load the level but not put the player in any specific position. So we need to, when we load the level, we load the data. Yeah. In fact, let's make this a bit more general, because we are not using current level. Will be the variable we use during play, not during the loading. So we will manage this. Let's give it a name of the position. No data. We will adjust the camera. Yeah, the camera will receive a specific level, because the camera must be adjusted relative to a specific level that will be obviously in the future will be each level we enter during play. Yeah, this is future proofing of the code. In this stage we will load always in a fixed position. Let me see. Adjust camera has an animation here, so we must wait for the camera to finish and assign the current level. This is let's see. And yeah, here we assign the why is it's not loading? How it was? Yeah, player position. Sometimes Godot takes the let me see. Reload. Sometimes the completion of the scripting system works, but let me see. No. Okay, never mind. Let's see if it works. Okay, it's loading correctly. We are we need to remove the previous. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's loading the position of the player. Yeah, but obviously the game must apply the following logic. Let's see. Huh. Did it push? What's the problem here? I'm doing things in a weird order. The level loads the data. Ah. Yeah. No. We must be, let me see. A white keyword, let me expression isn't a coroutine nor a signal. Why? Yeah. I need to I need to await the finishing of the twin. Yeah. Let's see. Crates. We are not updating. We instantiate a child, just camera. Obviously fall needs the yeah, that was the problem. Okay, nice. We are waiting. Yeah, it's a bit disconcerting. Yeah, let's make the player invisible while the camera is moving. Okay, perfect, nice. Okay, so when we enter a level, we must do this. We must adjust the camera and put the player there. So let's make let's make an auxiliary function for later. Let's do this. Let's do all this in this function. Okay. Obviously, this is equivalent. That's the problem. I tried to move while moving the camera. Okay. We will make the player this variable moving things is a variable that it records the number of things that are currently animating. I use it for the well in this case for the camera, but this controls if I move, if I can use the keyboard, for example. And I increment it when I animate anything. I increment it and decrement it when the twins are finished. And when the when each animation is finished, I check if it's equal to 0, it means that we must apply the logic of the end of the turn. In this case, well, we check if we must fall, we apply the gravity and run the checks of the rules of the game, etc. Okay, I'm over explaining perhaps, but let's check. If I change the level and move, it doesn't let me. Perfect. Until the animation is done. Perfect. I'm spamming the keyword to check. Okay. Now, what's the plan? Because all this is not really changing any of the visuals of the game. So you must be wondering what I'm doing. But let's make a little array. Yeah. Let's make this function and call that let's use it. This I learned yesterday that sometimes when you are still loading the game, this function in Godot is called when a node enters the scene, and sometimes when you are loading other things in the environment, you must wait until next frame for adding more objects and such. So this will load, let's see, let's load level 0, let's load level 1, yeah, let's make let's make an array let's make an array of loaded levels and current level index. Let's change this. This is yeah, this should be rename. Let's use okay, level 5 levels, yeah, let's call it let's call it that. Match case forward. Okay, this will be no longer used in the here. Here we will use the other array to use only the loaded levels. Okay, so load level should return the level just loaded. So we can do this. We can load several levels in, let's see. This is interesting. This function could return, I'm thinking about using the, okay, let's do let's do this. Let's do this. Sorry. Load level X. Yeah. X in range. Too few arguments. Yeah. Yeah, we don't need this anymore. Let's do this. Let's do this. And this will be this will load the level and put it by default in the origin. Yeah, in the origin of the scene. But we must fix this level index. Yeah, it's fixed. Load level. No. This is no longer. This is play level. Yeah. Okay. And this is. Yeah. Now this will play. This will not play the level. This will only load it. Yeah. Yeah. And this is all. This should be in the play function. Level name. And this is okay. Current level. Yeah. Okay, this is all. Okay, now this. We should, yeah. This will load several level 5 text. Ah. Yeah, the search and replace is not the best. It's not the best. I replaced too much. Okay, this obviously loads 10 levels and puts them. Yeah, I'm playing different levels here, but obviously all of them are in the same coordinates. So in the function load levels, I will adjust let's do something dirty, like x times 20. I think I can assign that. Okay. Yeah. Now, if I advance, interesting. Let's see what is printed in the console. Entering level 0, entering level 1, and I'm falling. Okay, this is embarrassing. Ah, okay, I know what's the problem. Entering. Yeah, this is the position of the level must. What happens now? Invalid operands. Okay. I think this return. Yeah. Let's see. This rounds, but I think round F, round E, round I. Okay, round I should round. How was doing? I was doing this dot round. I think that's correct. No. Vector 3i. This is very weird. Global position round. New vector with all components rounded to the nearest integer. Yeah. Why this? The compiler must cast automatically this. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Round as. I think that should be correct. Okay. What happens? The camera. I know. Just camera. Yeah, this must be also. Yeah. Global position. vector 3. Okay, center. The width is no longer, is not important. Yeah. This is, yeah, this is not necessary because we can add this here as a vector 3, and I think perfect. Okay, all the levels are loaded in the world, and we can play them. This is interesting. I'm using for I'm clicking here, and in the level 0 this works because I get the global coordinates and they are correct. But when we move, I'm clicking here and the logic is not responding. So I was doing that. What is the function? Show solution. Yeah, this position is a local position. No, sorry, it's the global position. Yeah, of the sigil, and we must subtract that, and it should work, but I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now we can click solutions from the world levels. Nice. Nice. Now return. The camera goes very fast between the first and the last. Level 9, level 0, level 9. Okay, nice. Interesting. Let's see if we can adjust this more to let's see, offset. The maximum. I think this will load. Yeah, too close, because this is yeah. Let's see. No, I must take into account also the size of the next level. Yeah. This is more tricky. Let's use. Yeah, it could, depending on the minimum size of the levels. Let me see. 3. Why is this? The position. what position I'm using. Let's use a constant here. This is exactly the same as before. I think I was assigning x times 7 before, or not. Ah, no, I think I was using 20, no? Yeah, I think. Okay. Let's use because the min and max are based on, let me see, the min and max are based on the walls. Yeah. And this is trickier because this will need a different offset. Yeah. And we this is more tricky because it depends on the current level size and the next level size also. Yeah, I think I will leave this for next video, the layout, the level layout of the stitcher, because it's a trickier problem, because I also obviously must leave space for the future tunnels between levels, because we will have a tunnel from here to the entry of the next level, because for example, let's use X and Y. Let's use let's use both oh, sorry. Okay, in this case, yeah, we must go down. We must go down. Okay. Yeah, each tunnel will go from a door to the entrance of the next level, and obviously there will be bifurcations because there are levels with more than one solution like this. So the problem is tricky, but next video we will try to solve it. Thanks for watching as always, and please like the video, subscribe, and tell others to subscribe. It helps. Thanks.